This is a video on how you wire an ICA Manufacturing or Fatboy Products external regulator. This will also work for blue boxes. So if you have any questions, it'll be labeled very similar. On the back of the regulator, you're gonna see a plus, a minus, and an F terminal. Plus is obviously battery hot. Usually you'll wanna wire this to an 80 amp or a larger continuous duty solenoid. I'll have links of where to purchase some from Amazon or Napa in the description below. You'll take this to ground on the alternator or as close to it as humanly possible. You do not want these wires coming off of the battery in the rear. You want them coming off of the alternator as close to the alternator up front as possible. The reason being is because if you have any resistance running from the front to the rear of the vehicle, you will have voltage discrepancies between what the alternator is actually charging at and what the regulator thinks it's charging at, which can lead to overheating the regulator and overheating your alternator, which either way is not a good day for anybody. I have my battery hot, again, running to a solenoid on my test bench. You could consider this your ignition off your vehicle, etc. The solenoid input for this is going straight to here. And I have my ground going straight to the alternator off a ring terminal on my, what you would consider the mounting point of your alternator. Some alternators will have a ground stud, and that's fine too. The field wire is going directly to the field on the alternator. Again, you want to keep that wire as short as humanly possible. If the run is anything over, say, 3 or 4 feet long, you do want to use 8 gauge. Do not use, like I have a little 12 gauge speaker wire here for the purpose of this test video, but the wires are 2 feet long. And that's okay for something like that. But if you plan on using a regulator for multiple channels or more than one alternator, you need to use 8 gauge, period. No questions asked. It needs to be 8 gauge. And you also want to use better terminals than I have here. This is just for the purpose of the test video. And just for proof of concept, you can see that my regulator is switched to the on position. I leave mine regulator on the on position all the time and use my battery solenoid / ignition switch to control whether the regulator is turning on. So it comes on and off with my vehicle. And as you can see, the alternator is not actually spinning. This is just, again, a video of how you actually want to wire it up. If you have any questions, again, links will be in the description below of where you can purchase this regulator, where you can purchase a solenoid, and a wire and terminals. I honestly hope you guys can know where to get that, and I don't have to put links to that. Sky High Car Audio is a great place to get stuff like that. They have it all available on their website, and it's relatively inexpensive, and it ships really fast. All right, again, any questions, please comment below the description. Thanks, bye.